Hello, in this presentation we will talk about composite functions, and let us start with very easy example. Let us say I have f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. I have another function, that is g of x is equals to x square minus 8, and I want to find f of g, and this open circle, it means I am talking about composite function. So this f of g, that means I can say g is inside f, and I can represent that information like this: f g is inside f. So this will look like this, and now I will substitute value of g of x. So what is g of x? That is x square minus 8. So I will write here x square minus 8. Now g is inside f, so that means I will substitute this value for x in f of x. It's very simple. So I will copy this 3. Instead of x, I will write x square minus 8, and I will copy this minus 5. Now if I further simplify this, this will be 3x square. This 3 is with x square and this 3 is with minus 8. So this will be 3x square minus 24 minus 5, and further I can say this is 3x square minus 29. Done. Now same way, let us understand g of f. It means f is inside g. So I can represent this information like this, g, and here it will be f of x. Now what is f of x? So f of x is 3x minus 5, and now this 3x minus 5 I will substitute here. Instead of this x, I will write 3x minus 5. So this will be 3x minus 5 whole square minus 8. Now I can say this equals to 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5. This is a square, so I repeated 3x minus 5 2 times minus 8. Now let us simplify this. 3x times 3x is 9x square. 3x times minus 5 is minus 15x. Minus 5 times 3x is again minus 15x, and minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25, and then I have minus 8 here. Now I will erase this stuff, so I will continue my calculation over here. This will be 9x square minus 15x minus 15x. I will combine the like terms, that will make minus 30x. 25 minus 8, that will make plus 17. So this is how you can find a composite function. Let us see one more example. Let us say I have f of x is equals to 3x plus 4, and g of x is equals to x cube minus 5, and here I want to find f of g2. So here I can say g2 is inside function f. So I can rewrite this information like this: f into bracket g2. Now let us find value of g2. So what happens if I input 2 in this? So if I input 2, it will be something like this: 2 cube minus 5. 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. So value of g2 is 3. So here I can replace this by 3. I can say this is f3. And now I will substitute this 3 in this function. So that will be 3 times, instead of x, I will write 3 plus 4. So this will be 9 plus 4, and that will make 13. So this is how you can do the composite function, and I think it's really very easy, and I tried to explain in as easy language as possible. I hope you find my video useful. If you find it useful, don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching.